This is a video tour for 2237 West Fullerton, unit number G, in the Bucktown neighborhood of Chicago. This is a 4-unit brick building located very close to the highway. As you enter the property and walk through the gate, the front door is on the side of the building. There are 4 buzzers for each unit, and there's also Amazon Key, which means Amazon can deliver packages into the building. Just inside the front door are the 4 mailboxes. This unit is in the basement, so as you go down, you enter the living room of the unit. The floor is ceramic tile that looks like hardwood floors. The kitchen has gourmet stainless steel appliances. It includes a side-by-side freezer refrigerator, stove, microwave, and dishwasher with quartz countertops and a deep undermount sink. In the room behind the kitchen are your utilities. So you have your own hot water heater, your own furnace, and it is central heat and central air conditioning. And the washing machine is a very deep, big washer, along with the dryer on top. There is extra storage underneath the front stairs. Walking into the bathroom, there are 2 bathroom sinks along with a large mirror, and of course the shower with a rainforest head coming out of the ceiling. And then there are 2 bedrooms in the back. So this is the first bedroom. It is slightly larger than the other one, and in the back are mirrored closet doors along with a good sized closet. And the other bedroom. You can definitely fit a king size bed in each bedroom. And this closet wraps around under the front stairs. Going out into the back of the unit is the common stairwell, and you can definitely use this area for any storage. And going up and out, and you're back in the walkway. The front door was towards the street there, and in the back there is parking